Hey, Eric Sider here, and in this video, I'm going to be setting up some cheap and portable rainwater storage. One of the biggest challenges when you're renting is expensive or hard to transport rainwater storage. So, I think I discovered a pretty good solution. It's cheap, it's portable, and it doubles as a swimming pool. So, I found a 1,000-gallon swimming pool, and I got two because they're also going to double as a natural swimming pool, something I've been wanting to do for a while now. So that'll be a whole separate video. First, we got to get them full of water, and I wish I had thought of this a month ago because they definitely would have been full by now. We probably got close to 9 inches of rain and those crazy storms that came through. But it's supposed to rain today, so I had to get moving and get at least one of these set up. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a lot of space to set up even these small pools. These are about 10 foot by 6.5 foot by 2 feet high. And this area here is really the only practical place I can store them. And I got two because they actually fit the space just about perfect. And one's gonna hold all the plants for the natural swimming pool setup. So excited about that. Obviously, the big drawback here is they are not durable. If you can get a couple years out of them, you're probably doing well. And covering them from the sun will definitely help extend their life. And then obviously winter's a whole nother ball game, especially if it freezes where you live. So typically the other problem is winter is generally where the rain comes, at least in the US and most of the Northern Hemisphere. So something to consider. But let's get into setting these up. And as always with these kind of thin vinyl pools, you want something soft underneath them, and there's the proper materials, kind of like a felt material you can get. But I was fortunate enough to find these two rugs that someone was throwing out next door, and they happen to be about the perfect size for these pools. So score one for the trash collectors. All right, let's get into it. Well, it's raining. It was a bit of a scramble to get these connected up. Had to make a last-ditch run to Lowe's for a couple fittings and extra pipe. It ain't pretty, but we got it connected. So let's see what we got. Here's our first downspout connection. Of course, I had to start it higher than the outlet. So one thing to keep in mind, that's why I cut the gutter up here, because everything down here needs to be sealed until it gets into the pool. And since the pool is 2 feet high, I made this 3 feet high to give myself plenty of room. So when we got this lay flat PVC or vinyl pipe, because it was pretty cheap for 100 feet, and I can just roll it up and store it when not in use. So here we go, our little trickle so far. not too bad. Of course, this will all be refined and secured properly, but for the time being, it's doing the job. Same one with this one, and this one's going outside, right to there. So, unfortunately, the way they design these stupid roofs, there's like 7 downspouts, so it's pretty much impossible to get all the water on one side. And I think so I got about half of this coming here, and then I got pretty much all of this side. So I think somewhere around 1,000 square feet maybe on a 2,500 square foot roof. So kind of frustrating, but better than nothing. In an inch of rain, 1,000 square feet will give you about 620 gallons. So see how much rain we get overnight. But if it's half full, that'd be pretty good. And definitely better than it going down the drain. All right, we'll check in on this tomorrow. All right, so here we are on the next day. Not really much rain overnight, and not sure how much more rain is coming today, but we are set up for future rain. So, and again, these the benefit of this lay flat pipe is that it can be taken down and stored when there's no chance of rain. Especially here in Sacramento, we have very long time between rainy seasons, so we'll see. Hopefully we can get this pool filled before it stops raining, but if not, it can all be taken down, put away, and set back up. So great for temporary or rental situations. All right, there you have it. Portable, cheap rainwater storage. We're far from full, but we're set up for whatever rains come, and hopefully we get enough to get some substantial storage. It's not durable, but it is portable. It's cheap, great for temporary rainwater storage, or particularly if you're in a rental situation. All right, as always, Permaculture shirts and consultation and design. All the links for that will be below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.